When I first came here, I thought it was gonna be like just regular school. So just coming to do ABCs, 1, 2, 3s, do a bunch of numbers and all of that.
I expected it to be like a really sad and like mean school, but I came here and it was like a little small paradise.
It's been great. I've met a lot of fantastic people, made a lot of great friends.
I love our campus at Levy-Pollard. It's very involved with our students and staff, and it's so welcoming to everyone.
You're just like an angel. Your skin makes me cry. You fall like a feather.
Thank the Lord, cause I've seen another day. Cause I run away, run away, run away. I won't make it in the world this way. So I run away, run away, run away.
The next time when I look in your eyes, we'll have wings and we'll fly. Come, everyone!
I really like theater, honestly. I get to actually put myself out there on stage and just perform and be somebody who maybe I've fantasized being about, like daydream about, you know.
I am the drummer for the music program. We like to have diverse genres that each one of us likes.
This is journalism. It's basically a place where you're supposed to learn how to record your own videos.
So in Unity, it's a leadership program where basically we like to unify everyone on campus and in the world and show representation of different cultures, genders, and everything.
So AAB, we just be chilling. We color, we draw, but as like you can see around, everyone here is it's very creative, and we just get posters done, try to help the teachers out as much as possible, so make everybody's life easier.
Just don't judge before actually seeing. The people here are pretty chill, and it's just a nice environment.
It's basically just a normal school, but shorter days.
It was like a really big shock, actually, and it was something I just didn't expect.